Cyclones, powerful storms that bring destructive winds, torrential rain and flooding, can devastate entire communities. In Australia, cyclone season runs from November to April, and preparation is key to staying safe. Start by creating an emergency plan. Identify the safest room in your home, one without windows and on the lowest level. Stock it with essentials: bottled water, blankets, torches, and a first aid kit. Plan evacuation routes, locate the nearest cyclone shelter, and discuss emergency procedures with your family. Next, prepare an emergency kit. Include non-perishable food, drinking water, and a fully charged phone power bank, important documents in a waterproof container, and supplies for pets and children. Keep this kit somewhere easily accessible. Before a cyclone hits, secure your home. Trim trees, clear debris, and reinforce windows and doors. Sandbags can help limit flooding, and outdoor furniture should be stored safely. And don't forget your pets. Ensure they have ID, food, and a safe place to shelter with you. Some evacuation centres may not accept animals, so have a backup plan. If an evacuation order is issued, leave early. Grab your emergency kit, follow official advice, and prioritise safety over possessions. During a cyclone, stay indoors in your designated safe space. Use a battery-powered radio for updates. And remember, the eye of the storm may seem calm, but dangerous winds can return suddenly. Cyclones are unpredictable, but preparation can make all the difference. Plan ahead, stay informed, and keep your household safe. Be ready. Stay safe.